Here is the Google Classroom overview for Tuesday. So our learning goals is talking about Super E or Magic E, which makes the vowel in the middle say its name or the long vowel sound. Reviewing long vowels A, E, I, O, U. Comparing and contrasting, which means finding differences and similarities. And reviewing drawing conclusions. The flashcards video can be found on Dojo or the YouTube channel. Blending the words. This is going to show about the Magic E or Super E changing the vowel to a long vowel sound, which the long vowel sounds are A, E, I, O, U. Air writing or writing the letters on paper. These are all of the red words that students should know. Our red word for the week, one of them's do. So on these slides, you're spelling the word or your arm tapping. So you would go D-O spells do. Write it on the piece of paper or in the air, reading the sentence right down here, and then having the students use the word do in a sentence. They can either verbally use it or they can write it down. Red word video. Another red word, little. With. What. There. They. And here's the sight word video that can also be found only on Google Classroom. This is not on YouTube. Read the sentences. Our amazing words of the week: groundbreaking, foundation, waterproof, trenches, welding, gleaming. Our word today is trenches. We're reviewing drawing conclusions. When you read or listen to a selection and look at pictures, think about what you read, hear, and see, then add what you already know to figure out things. This is called drawing conclusions. Our activity this week is comparing and contrasting. When we compare, we tell how things are alike. Alike means how things are the same. When we contrast, we tell how things are different. Different means how things are not the same. So look at these two bicycles, find out how they are the same and how they are different. Here you're going to read the story, A House for Freckles, and you're going to find out how the houses are alike and how they are different. One is a big house where the girl lives, and one is a dog house. The Decodable, Max and Jane. The read aloud for Max and Jane, which if you're watching this on YouTube, first listen to it on mute, and you might have to pause some of the pages and then listen to it. The Haggerty's routine. Our math learning activities is subtraction. So look at the dice and subtract it by looking at the dice and then finding the answer. So the first one, you would count this dice. So you have 6 minus 4 equals, and then have them solve the problem. And that is it for our Google Classroom. Please make sure to be sending pictures of the work. Even if you're not doing it in Google Classroom, it's really important to be sending those pictures. Have an awesome Tuesday.